What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're staying safe. Today's video is a highly requested video, so I'm going to be preparing some curry shrimp. And before I go any further, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and become a part of the Greedy Gang. Also, go ahead and click the bell so you can be notified every time I post. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So off the camera, I started to prep some of the ingredients like the onion, grated garlic, some thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to chop up some bell pepper. You could say maybe half or quarter of a medium-sized bell pepper, and then I'm gonna chop half of a tomato and a stalk of green onion. So I went ahead and deveined, peeled and washed the shrimp off camera, and here I'm just showing you how I remove the shell from the shrimp. I personally leave the tail on the shrimp because I think it really looks nice when you're cooking with the tail still attached to the shrimp. So I'm just suggesting, or you could say a tip for when you're purchasing your shrimp, to purchase frozen unpeeled shrimp because it costs less, and not only that it costs less, but it's less prone to a freezer burn and it tastes way better. Unpeeled shrimp and shrimp with head on tends to be less processed, so you can decide based on that where and your budget as well and your liking what you would purchase. So I added some seasoning on the shrimp and I'm massaging the shrimp, and I'm going to put the shrimp in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to marinate. To get the recipe for all the dishes I prepare, always check in the description box below. You'll find the description box by clicking the down arrow beside the video title if you're using a cell phone, or just click below the title if you're using a desktop computer. So here I added about 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to go ahead and make my curry sauce. So I'm adding the onion, green onions and garlic and thyme, and just allow the veggies to become a bit translucent. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the bell pepper, tomato and Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just going to continue to toss it around to kind of get the veggies going a little bit. From here I'm going to add some curry powder, and I would say about 1 tablespoon of curry powder. You don't want to do too much curry powder because that will make your dish bitter. So about 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and then I'm gonna allow the powder to start cooking off a little, and then I'm gonna add some coconut milk and a little bit of water, and then just leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, because you want to ensure that the curry powder is cooked through properly. You don't want to eat curry that is half cooked or uncooked, because that will irritate your stomach. So I tasted the sauce, and I'm just adding some all-purpose seasoning. We want a good tasting curry, so I'm just gonna add some fish seasoning, which is an optional step. If you don't have fish seasoning, you don't have to add it. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper also, and give it a chance to continue simmering. So now I'm going to do a quick sauteing of the shrimp, and by now you should know I love doing this step because it builds flavor. I'm not going to do this for long because, you know, I'm not trying to overcook my shrimp. I just want to do it for about a minute. And you know, that being said, this is an optional step for you. You can just add your shrimp directly to the sauce if you're afraid of overcooking your shrimp. From here, the dish is basically done because you don't need to cook your shrimp for no more than 4 to 6 minutes, including the sauteing time. Guys, if you have made it this far into the video, comment with a shrimp emoji so I can know that you watched the video to the end. I hope you enjoyed this one because I sure did. Besides the fact that I love shrimp, this was a good one. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more of these recipes. Like and share the videos with your family and your friends so that they too can know what your girl Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. Also click the bell to be notified every time I post. Bye.